So this is like our first day. It's a conference in Nara, and now I'm walking to the conference place. And I want to thank organizer who pick up Nara as our next destination for this conference, because you see it like we're surrounded by deers and very nice national parks. Just to tell you like few words about the conference, it's related to recently discovered, more recently, 20 years ago discovered slow sleep events, which is one of the kind of the seismic activity. Reach our conference. Yay. So let's go in, and welcome to the International Joint Workshop on Slow to Fast Earthquake 2022. First we have to register, and after that go to the presentation room, which is actually no theater stage. So each presenter had a unique chance to perform on no theater stage. I did a poster on recently published work in Geophysical Research Letters, and the cafe was great. Keep walking. After the conference we had a field trips, and luckily we had a typhoon, which is strong wind and strong rain. But we are geologists and we never give up.
もしそれを教えてほしい。それペト DB で。ペト DB に。
On the second day we had much better weather and everyone was enthusiastic. We were looking for earthquake fossils and slow sleep events evidence, and we went to different places with different kinds of rocks, and this field work was pretty much informative and interesting for me. Thank you to organizers and hope to see you next year. Bye!